Got a killer deal on a Workbench or a smaller Workmate 30-inch folding portable workbench. Big shout out to Son at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. This is, I don't know if this is a glitch, guys, or not, but remember, guys, these deals sell out. So do not even finish this video. Click on the link below and get this thing before either sells out, clearance out, or they raise the price. So this is a really good deal. This is a Black & Decker Workmate 125 30-inch folding portable workbench and vise. So this is a vise. I ended up picking myself 2 of these. They do have 4 stars out of 465. You guys do see here it does have a wood top. $11.97, guys, down from $36 to $11. That's a no-brainer. So jump on it before they sell out. There's 723 available for either your house or the store. They can deliver to the store. I ended up just, delivering it to the house. Just ended up picking up 2 of these. You can put that in your cart, and you're gonna spend around $23. So that's a really good deal. I usually post these deals in the community tab of the YouTubes, but nobody gets those. I don't know why. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys get those or not. That's why I just decided to make this video. Anyways, have a great night. Have a great start of the week. Because yeah, tomorrow's Monday. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.